With the end of production for Epic Mickey 2 rapidly approaching and 2,000 lines of dialogue still needing animations for the game, we had to develop a process to help create all the dialogue content in a timely manner while still having the best performance possible. This tool was written up to help streamline the process by tracking down and compiling all the dialogue information from all the level files, creating the lip sync rigs for all the speaking characters, producing the animation data for the lines using a third-party plugin, and generating a Maya file for each of the lines and exporting out both the animation and the dynamic animation files for the game. Making the lip sync rig was just a matter of referencing in the existing character and creating the basic phoneme controls that would allow the animator to simply come into the file and set up the different mouth shapes for the character. The process for creating the Maya files for all the dialogue lines was automated so that it could be done per line, character, or even the entire dialogue library. Creating the file would involve generating the animation data by passing in the text and audio dialogue into the Animsoft program, making a new scene with the lip sync rig reference in, applying the animation data onto the phoneme controls, loading the audio file into the scene, and doing an export of all the game-related files. After generating the files, the animators were able to come into the scenes to refine the performance by specifying when animations from their library of gestures would be played during the character's speech. An idle animation would be laid down as a base animation layer, and all of the other gestures would be inserted in to build up the performance. This process was primarily a visual representation of what would be expected to play in-game, generating the game files that would call up the chosen animation to play at the starting frame at which it was inserted into the timeline. This tool helped save some time and headaches during the final legs of production, and I was fortunate enough to be awarded the Disney Interactive Employee Recognition Award for my involvement. But to me, this will always serve as a prime example of how all the different disciplines can band together to achieve the best results possible for the games that we create.
Gorge, I heard about the Mad Doctor, Mickey. That must have been scary. But we're all safe now, thanks to you and Oswald.
Well, I need a new place, too. That abandoned building by the cemetery would be perfect for my magic shop. My old one got wrecked in the quake.
Oh, please do find the pigs. Oh, please do find the band. If you come to call and found them all, come see me in Ventureland.
Welcome to the Mad Doctor's wonderful world of evil. Today we bring you the fall and rise of greatness. And now your host, the Mad Doctor.